In a world where we can do almost everything with a click, there's no reason to wait for hours to sign or approve a document. Whether you're at the office, on the go, or even need to meet an urgent deadline, emSigner can simply help you get your signatures and approvals out of the way quickly and easily. Just upload a document, drag and drop your placeholders, define the people who need to sign, and you're done. emSigner plans come with unlimited documents, so you'll never have to worry about using up your credit. All documents will be stored securely in the doc store, so you can access them anytime, anywhere. Just click on co-branding under the Admin tab to make the entire platform reflect your preferred brand colors and logos. emSigner even gives you the flexibility to set reminders on your signed contracts, build and collaborate on contracts, and create easy forms for your customers to fill and sign. With emSigner, you can do more than just sign documents. You can simplify your life, streamline your operation, and put a smile on your customer's face. emSigner. Sign anywhere, anytime.